When it comes to drones, we need to be world-class, and we will, because we have the innovation and industrial base and entrepreneur base in America to do that if we unleash it.
I think it's a sea change. You know, when I was in Silicon Valley, there was hesitance to cooperate with the US military. That is gone. Those days are over. And companies are excited to be working with the DoD. And that, for me, that culture change in the country, you call it patriotism, you call it the fact that DoD, under new leadership from President Trump, from Secretary Hegseth, and from myself, we're opening the front door to businesses and say, come work with us. And we're giving them real-time feedback and giving them quicker yeses and quicker nos, so they go back to their drawing board if it's not working, and it can work better the next time. And so that motion, that culture, if you will, is really taking hold inside of the DoD right now.